Kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, yo. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad. So
I will be doing a review / tutorial with Fenty Beauty's eyebrow pencil, y'all. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so fucking excited. I'm so excited, y'all. But anyways, I got it in the shade dark brown. And without further ado, let's just get on with this review / tutorial. You feel me? For the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to brush your eyebrows up. And I honestly don't know if this is supposed to be used as like a spoolie or anything. Like I haven't seen like the video or another review on this. I kind of just got it because I was like, oh, I like Fenty Beauty's products, and you know, why not get their eyebrow pencil? You know what I'm saying? So why not? But I like to start in the middle because your eyebrows not supposed to be dark right here unless you want it to be. That's really up to you. But I like my eyebrows to kind of fade. You know what I'm saying? Just fade. You know, keep it natural but bold but cute. Yeah. Yeah. So you're gonna start right there, and you're just going to create your bottom line. Okay. And now that we did that, you want to get the brush or the spoolie or whatever this is called. It looks really cute, not gonna lie. Like, it looks like a small little brush. Like, oh my god, it looks so freaking cute, bro. It looks I like it. Okay, anyways, some people, they like to keep going. I don't. I like to brush mine down so like I could kind of see like my arch more, like kind of get like the shape of my eyebrow more, even though I don't have an arch or a shape to my eyebrows because I don't have any eyebrows to begin with, you know. But yeah, so just gonna brush that down. Y'all, I feel like I look dumb right now because I don't know if it's supposed to be just the brush to like kind of brush it out, or if this is really supposed to be like the spoolie or like whatnot. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep going with what I think, and then you guys should leave a comment and tell me if I'm using it right or not, because I honestly don't know. So help a girl out. But anyways, now you're gonna start in the middle. Again, you know, don't want your eyebrows to be dark, and you're going to create that arch if you want one. I really like how this is coming out. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at me. I look cute for once. Oh my god, you guys. Finally, like once in a lifetime, like halfway through my eyebrows, I actually look good, y'all. This is not a sponsor because, you know, I haven't got there yet. But, you know, Fenty, I see y'all. I see y'all. When I went there, the girl, she said get anesthesia or what was the other one? Anesthesia or I can't think of the other name. It was like anesthesia or I really was gonna get this one too. How come I don't remember?
3 hours later.
Benefit. That's what this. She said either get benefit or anesthesia, and I was like, okay. So I went to go. I couldn't find anesthesia. I don't know. Am I saying it right? Anesthesia and antasia. I don't remember how to say it. But you know, I'm pretty slow. So anyways, I was gonna get benefit because I really liked how like they had like this. It had like a highlight, and then it had the brow the brow stuff, and I don't know really how to explain it, but it was like a pencil, and it like you push it up, like you know those pens that you pushed up and then like it showed different. That's how that was, and I thought it was really freaking cool. So I was gonna get that, but then I went to the Fenty Beauty side because I needed to get a beauty blender. I needed to get a beauty blender, and I went to their side. And I was like, oh crap, they do got eyebrow pencils. So I was looking at it. And then I like started like doing my eyebrows a little bit. And I was like, oh shit, this looks good. And so that's the story. That was probably irrelevant. But you know, that was the story of how I got it. Now that you guys created your arch and everything, now you don't want like small eyebrows like this. Like that's unless you want it. Then by all means, go ahead and do what you please. But you know, I want my eyebrows to kind of be a little bit longer, not shorter than my eye. So yeah, you're gonna kind of create like a line down here a little bit. Just don't push down too hard, because then it's gonna be like a little, it's gonna look bloxy, and I don't really think y'all want that. But again, like I said, if you do, then by all means go ahead and do what you want, boo. But anyways, you're gonna create like a line down here. Alright, and then now you have the base of like your eyebrow of where you want it to at least start. And you're going to, let's see if they could do this. All right, let's see. I have faith in this eyebrow pencil. Let's see if we can get the hairs. All right, and then you're gonna create small hairs. All right, so just, oh my god, okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared, you guys. Like, I don't want to, you know what I mean? Just, you know, yeah. So I'm trying to like, we got this. Let's go. I have faith, all right? Okay. So I'm just gonna brush. One eyebrow hair, two eyebrow hairs, another. Oh shit! And then just keep going, you know, fill it in, and like fill in my non-existent eyebrows, and then oh shit! Y'all, this is my favorite eyebrow pencil now. Oh my god! And then you're gonna get your brush, spoolie, or whatever the freak this freaking cute freaking little toothbrushes, I don't know. And then you're gonna brush it out to give it the more natural look. Okay? Oh my god, y'all, my eyebrows look good. For once in a lifetime, Now, we're going to basically be doing the same thing on this eyebrow. And so since I already showed you how to do this one, I'm going to just do that real quick. So
if them bitches round you, better be blood. If it ain't me, your mama shooting me.
It's just me. But anyways, y'all, I really enjoyed making this video. I really enjoyed the Fenty Beauty's eyebrow pencil. It was really nice. I really recommend it. So if y'all ever like want to know what eyebrow product to get, definitely Fenty Beauty. It's a recommendation. Yeah. But anyways, please like this video. Please comment. And if you already haven't, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so y'all get notified every time I post a new video. And with that being said, peace.
Yeah, so they got swag, see rockin' Fenty, it's on a boost.